Ben Collins inspired us once again to create this Google Sheets tutorial. Thank you, Ben. Slopegraphs work well to show change because they're easy to interpret and to understand the changes because the chart is simple. After creating your data set using 2 points of comparison, for example, 2 different years of data, with your mouse, select the data set and headers to highlight it. With the cell selected, click Insert. Click Chart. A chart is created and the chart editor opens. Click the down arrow under Chart Type. Scroll and click Line Chart. Scroll down and click the checkbox for Aggregate. Scroll down and click the checkbox for Switch Rows Columns. If not already selected, scroll down and click the checkbox for Use Column A as Headers. Click Close. You can move the chart off of your data by selecting the chart and with your mouse, drag the chart, then drop it off of the dataset area. You could stop here. Your Slopegraph chart is created, but let's tweak it a little to make it even easier to read. With the chart still selected, click the 3-dot options icon to reopen the chart editor. Click Edit Chart. Click Customize. Click Series. Scroll down and click the checkbox for Data Labels. Data labels were added to the chart, but maybe you want them in a different position. Let's scroll down and open the drop-down menu under Position and click Right. We're also missing a title for our chart. To add one, scroll up and click Chart and Axis Titles. Type a chart title. Now let's make our lines easier to see. Scroll to locate the Series menu. Click Series. Select the down arrow under Line Thickness and click to make a selection for a thicker line. Since you have exact data points shown, let's remove the numbers from the vertical axis. Scroll to the vertical axis menu. Click the arrow to open the text color options. Click Theme Color White. Let's close the chart editor, click the X, and see what we have now. It looks like we might want to move the data labels to make the data easier to read. With the chart still selected, click the 3-dot options icon to reopen the chart editor. Click Edit Chart. Click Customize. Click Series. Click on one of the slope lines to select it. Click on the down arrow under Position. Let's click Left. I've also done the same thing with one of the other slope lines whose data label covered another one. Click X to close the chart editor. The Slopegraph chart was super simple to make, and with a few design changes, it's also easy to understand what it's showing. That's it, you're done. Thanks, Ben.